Welcome to the Hard Reset Pro channel. Today I will show you how to restore the messages icon on the home screen on the ZTE Blade A36. So as you can see, the messages app icon is nowhere to be seen on the desktop or in the belt or in any folders. To change that, scroll from the middle of your screen to the top and look for the messages app. It's right here. Select it and drag and drop it to wherever you want to be. I'm going to pick the belt, you can put it on your desktop, and now you've restored the messages icon. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.